Grab the masking tape from the cart. Put the tape over the hole and press the trigger to apply it. Great. Press the trigger to roll up the tube. See the gauge jump up and then fall back to zero? That could indicate a problem. Press the trigger to roll the tube a little more. Yeah, something's wrong here. Let's check if it's a leak or the gauge. We'll use the clamp to keep the tube rolled. With your free hand, grab it from the cart. Place the clamp around the tubing. There you go. Let go of the tubing. Let's check the fittings for leaks. Normally, to check the fittings in the pitot static system, you'd lie on your back in the cockpit and reach behind the panel into a mess of wires and tubes. Let me make this easier. Touch the pitot static system to get a closer look. I'll tilt this so you have a better view of all the fittings. Let's see if we find any loose ones. We need to check all of these fittings. If there's any air leaking out, we'll see some bubbles when we apply soapy water to the fittings. Go ahead and grab the bottle from the cart. Use the trigger to spray each of the fittings with the soapy water. Return the bottle to the cart. Is there a loose fitting? Touch the answer you think is correct. Touch the That's right. Turn the wrench clockwise to tighten the fitting. Put down the wrench. You gotta attach it to the end of that tube from the pitot static checker. So, with your free hand, attach the tube to the cup. Alrighty, put the cup over the static port. Let me tape that down. Let's make sure the pitot static checker is ready to go. Take a look. We need to make sure the vacuum's control and vent valves are completely shut. Tighten the knobs by turning them clockwise. Now that it's set up, we're ready to use the pitot static checker. See the vacuum gauge? It measures suction and it's gotta reach 15. We're gonna pump the T-handle to increase suction. Pump the T-handle until the gauge reads 15. It may take a few pumps. Alrighty, now we need to slowly open the vacuum control valve until the altimeter in the cockpit reads a 1,000-foot increase. Turn the vacuum control valve knob counterclockwise. Let's watch the altimeter. If it drops more than 10 feet in 1 minute, we have a leak somewhere. Let's assume it's been 1 minute. Uh-oh, we've got to check the static system for leaks. Go ahead and slowly relieve the suction. Turn the vacuum vent valve counterclockwise. Touch the pitot static system to get a closer look.